Welcome to Mission 2. When solving equations in algebra, in Mission 1 we saw that we were going to use inverse operations to remove all subtraction and addition. In Mission 2 you're going to be working with division and multiplication only. So if we have the equation 4x equals 12, 4x, you remember if a number and a variable are right next to each other, that actually means multiplication. So it's 4 times x. And when doing our work, the inverse of multiplication is division. So we're going to divide by 4. Don't forget, we're going to use the fraction bar for division, not the old division symbol with a line with 2 dots. And as algebra rule number 1 says, whatever we do to one side of the equation, we must also do to the other side. Now when we're going to show our work, don't forget that we're going to line it up with that equal sign down the middle. And as we also saw from the title of the book that algebra got its name from, the second part, wal muqabala, or however you say that in Arabic, means to simplify and to cancel. So on the left side we can actually cancel out the 4 divided by 4. Those will simplify to be 1 over 1. And on the right hand side, 12 and 4 will simplify to be 3 over 1. So that all we have left on the left side is x, and 3 over 1 is 3. So we've found that x is equal to 3. And if we substitute that back in, 4 times x, if that's 3, 4 times 3 is equal to 12. Well, what's that look like if we start with division? We've got a variable over another number, x over 5 in this case, equal to 12. Well, the opposite, or the inverse, of 5 divided by 5 is going to be times 5. If I do it to one side, I also have to do it to the other side. So when we multiply both sides by 5, we're going to cancel out some things there. Don't forget the equal sign down the middle. And on the left-hand side, 5 and 5 will cancel out, so that all I'm left with is x. And on the right side, 12 times 5 is 60. Don't forget to use your calculators, especially for negative numbers. That might be a little bit trickier. And to whatever the number is, if it's a negative or a positive, that goes with it. So if it was a negative 5x, we would have to multiply both sides times negative 5.